I'm Mike Blundell. I'm with a company called ScanCon Encoders. What we manufacture is optical incremental and absolute encoders for various industries, including semiconductor industry, assembly machines, the wind and the solar power energy industries. For the semiconductor industry, we specifically manufacture encoders in a 9mm size, a 16mm size, and a 24mm size, with a range of resolutions from 1000 in the 9mm size up to 7500 pulses per revolution in the 24mm size. In addition, ScanCon manufactures a range of encoders for use in the wind energy and the solar energy industries. Specifically, we operate systems such as yaw control, blade pitch control, and generator encoders, as well as an intelligent encoder which can be used in any of those applications. And finally, we manufacture an encoder specifically for the solar power industry. It's 24mm diameter in size and has stronger ball bearings and several other features specifically geared toward the solar energy. For more information on ScanCon encoders, please go to our website at www.scancon.dk.